Today is Monday, July 15th. This is the 1973 specific Eldorado Valve-In Receiver kit replacement for my friend Lance in Texas. And I've gone ahead and I've marked the unit for easier installation as to the flow direction of the unit, the number 12 O-ring insertion and connection to the evaporator outlet, and the same number 12 O-ring connection to the suction hose. Okay, so that should eliminate any inconsistencies in terms of the installation to the DeVille or the Eldorado, and the orientation changes in accordance with the realignable member for the inlet. And again, the flow direction is this way, coming from the evaporator outlet to the suction hose. And we have the eliminator block that includes the number 4 bleed line, as well as the number 6 liquid connection line to the condenser, and then the number 8 evaporator inlet. Okay, included is the replacement switch that supports both of the different refrigerants and the prongs that connect to the replacement harness that gets spliced into the compressor and to the cycling switch, and then daisy chained past the original compressor through the switch to the clutch coil. Okay, so this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items such as the Valve-In Receiver units for the air conditioning systems. Today is Monday, July 15th. Thank you very kindly.